I think I unconsciously enabled myself to continue pursuing that curiosity because I wasn't bogged down by a 9-to-5 job or a part-time minimum wage position.
Hey everyone, my name is John Penland, and this podcast is brought to you by Kinsta, a premium managed hosting provider. In today's episode, I'm talking to Jonathan Williamson, CTO and co-founder of CG Cookie, Blender Market, and Mavenseed. Jonathan, welcome to Reverse Engineered.
Hey, thanks for having me, John.
When I was 12 and 13, I was not spending 8 hours a day on the computer the way that my son is, and I'm allowing it, but I do have that same nervousness that maybe your parents had. So I'm curious, how do you reassure me as a parent about letting my kids spend that much time on the computer?
I've talked to my parents about this too. I now have a young son. He's going to turn 3 in a couple of months. And, my wife comes from a very different educational background than I did. And so obviously we're starting to have those conversations like, well, what route do we go? What my parents afforded me, even if they didn't realize it at the time, was the time and ability to just figure out what I was interested in and just pursue curiosity, obviously within reason, but basically no limits.
I feel like there had to be a piece there where you guys were also encouraged, and I'm just guessing here, but it seems to me that there had to be a piece where you guys were encouraged a little bit to be independent or something along those lines. Am I striking in the right direction there?
He's very, very independent. He always considers himself the black sheep of just about anywhere he goes. He's very okay with that, and I think he definitely rubbed off on us a lot in that sense. I'm just going to go do this thing that I'm interested in, and of course that has some downsides. But in terms of, we were never, and definitely never had it instilled in us that we had to follow a traditional career path or an education path or anything like that. And I think that's helped a lot because basically there are no preconceived notions for us.